National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for north central Williamson County until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Sun City, or near Saronada, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Bartlett, Gerald, Fian, Shortner, and Warburg. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is developing. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado